Special Coupe. And tell me about that bird on the radiator there, that radiator cap. What's going on there?
That's what makes it a Special Coupe right there.
You're kidding.
It's one of the very few differences between a regular coupe and a Special Coupe. Anyway, I've had this car for 15 years, and of all the classic cars I own, this car has never left me stranded. It always takes me home, and it does it in great style. If you're looking for a car that's a show car, this isn't it, but this is a car to go out with the family and have a ball. As you can see, it has a rumble seat, and this car was restored by a furniture restorer and professor from Palomar College in San Marcos, California. It took him 8 years to restore. He bought it in a box, basically, all different pieces and parts and components. He did it all correct. It's probably one of the most complete 1928 Special Deluxe coupes you'll find. What else can I tell you about the car? It's all original. The only thing that's been upgraded, it's upgraded to 12 volts, and it actually has directional signals. So that comes in handy if you want to be safe on the road. Also, it has seat belts, which is nice.
Tony, I saw you when you pulled up, you had your arm out and you were given manual directions. Did I not?
That's a force of habit. A lot of people don't know what they are. That's why this baby's got, directionals, yeah. Oh, and a couple of things I want to point out. Notice the etching on the wing windows here. Another item that makes it a Special Deluxe. Also, watch this. Come around back here and look at the back window as I lower the curtain, the little privacy curtain.
That came with this car?
That came with the car,
really
yeah.
did, okay.
Yeah. If you ever want to go to a drive-in, that might come in handy.
So guys, this is a driver. It's a car to have fun in, to go out in, and it's not intended to try to win trophies. It's intended to be used, driven. It's a 3-speed.
When you're sitting in the rumble seat, these come in handy.
Keep the bugs out of your eyes.
Keep the bugs out of your eyes.
Guys, rumble seat, you got kids, they will love this back here. By the way, when I was about 7, 8 years old, and a guy down the street had a similar car, and he gave us rides in the rumble seat.
Oh my God.
Can you believe that?
Back memories.
restaurant in town that has a